that doc was pretty good, wasn't it? Thank you again for everyone who watched, and especially thank you again for everyone who helped. I kind of wonder what I should do with my channel next. Should I make more? Should I narrate scary stories? Should I just make whatever here and whatever there? I'm quite satisfied with all the content I got, though. Yeah. We will definitely see in the future what will become of the channel. And in case you're wondering, this is an Ario. This is like a seasonal riverbed. It's bone dry now, but in the spring it'll be a coursing, yeah, like a coursing stream. I could also just film nature walks too when I travel, do some cityscapes. That'd be cool too, I think. I don't think I want to get political. I might want to recap some historical stuff. That's interesting. History is one of my topics. Yeah, I'm sorry, this is really improv. Maybe I'll delete the video later. But for now, I just hope you enjoyed the nice nature walk. Okay. If I'm forgetting anything, maybe leave it in the comments or email me, I guess. I don't know. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. But until then, I'll see you guys later.